Hi everybody, today I'm going to do a quick card and I thought I would do an ocean sea life themed card, and so I'm going to be using Beauty of the Deep, which is a brand new set that's going to be available on May 2nd in the new annual catalog, and also Sea Turtle, and this has been available before and it will continue to be available. So I'm going to make a card with these, and I'm probably going to throw in some other supplies as well, and I want to use a couple of the brand new colors that are coming out. So let's get started. Let's see, I have a color chart that I made here that has all the colors in rainbow order, and let's see here, if I were to just play with these to kind of choose my color palette, here's some blues. Think might like some pink. I don't know which pink I would like with that. Maybe for some coral. Definitely I'm going to want some greens for some kelp or seaweed. There is this fish stamp here. I don't know if that's an angelfish or what that's called, but I think sometimes those are like blue, maybe blue and yellow. Maybe I'll take this new yellow lolly for that. And then if I wanted to do a contrasting color for some of the coral, I don't know if I did that. That's kind of the Calypso coral, but I kind of think I like a cool color better. So maybe I'll go with that. Now let me see, what color is this? Okay, that's Melon Mambo. This color, which one is that? Is that Sweet Sorbet? Yeah, that might be Sweet Sorbet. This one's probably the new Berry Burst. Well, maybe you want to do a new color. So Berry Burst is a new color. Lemon Lolly is a new color. This is Tahitian Tide. That's a new color. Unless I wanted to throw in the mauve, the new in color, the Moody Mauve. So we'll see. We'll play around with these, see what we come up with. And I'm going to use the Countryside Corner dies to cut out. I'm going to have this be kind of like a aquarium look to the card. So I'm going to cut this out with the die cut machine real fast. And I think I'm going to let you watch the rest of this. I'm going to add some music, and I might speed up a little bit here and there and let you watch how I make the card. I would appreciate it if you would like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you would like to subscribe to my channel, I would appreciate it. I have really enjoyed making these videos, and I want to make a bunch more over summer break. I am a special ed teacher, and it is super busy right now with testing and assessments, so unfortunately I wasn't able to do like a full-length long video this week, so I hope you can understand. But I did hit 500 subscribers on my YouTube channel, and so I am doing a giveaway. You need to enter by April 25th, so please see the link for that in the description. And in the description for this video, I will also have links to all the supplies that I used and have some other additional directions, as well as my host code information. You might be interested in getting some host code perks if you purchase Stampin' Up! Products with me. I would love to be your demonstrator if you don't have one, so please check out the description for the free stuff you can get if you order with my host code this month. Finally, please leave any comments or questions that you have about this project in the comments, and I will definitely reply and answer any questions. So thanks so much and enjoy watching.